All right, so the IEC 61850 is a set of internationally accepted standards created by the International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC, for communication protocols in electrical power systems. And the standard provides a better way for IEC compliant field devices, meaning any device incorporating one or more processors with the capability to receive or send data to and from an external source, to read and to write data. It lays the foundation for effective data modeling and facilitates easy integration of devices within a common system or architecture, letting you build a network of disparate multi-manufacturer equipment. So that's what the actual standard is. It allows for you to modernize and upgrade your operations in the following ways. You get better, faster data transmission, replaces legacy systems like DMP3 and Modbus, and upgrades facilities' copper wires to fast transmission Ethernet-based communications, which is great for these edge devices. Better data standards. 61850 goes far beyond the legacy practice of simple data transfer. It facilitates data modeling and establishes a standardized naming convention for signals from multi-vendor devices, and defines a data object structure that can determine what to do with the data beyond the protocol level. While the primary benefit of IEC 61850 is interoperability, there are some related benefits too. I'll go over them quickly now, but as we talk about the new driver, they'll come up again. Remote management. With everything connected, you can manage all of your devices from one location. And with the Ignition, of course, we can then take that even further and manage everything across the entire enterprise from one location. With security and safety, protocols like this improve the security and safety of your system, which have always been important, but becomes more so with each passing year. And a lot of protocols don't have security mindsets in place, and this one does. And of course, costs, you get to choose the hardware and software that suits your budget, because no matter what you choose, they'll still communicate, again, if they're following the standard. And finally, modernization, which leads us perfectly into talking about Ignition's IEC 61850 driver. We developed the new driver for Ignition so you can combine the power of the 61850 standard with all the flexibility and functionality of the main Ignition platform. Ignition's IEC 61850 driver provides a simple way for you to connect and communicate to any IED that supports the standard. It can be connected to most OPC UA servers, including Kepware, to extend capabilities. Simple to use and requiring little to no knowledge of 61850 standards, the driver acts as a MMS client, allowing acquisition of status and measurement data by either polling or MMS reports. And those MMS reports are really important, as well as executing control operations using the control model defined by IEC 61850. MMS provides fast transmission of substation events, such as commands and reporting schemes, to effectively automate operations. The driver uses XML-based system configuration language, or SCL, files to facilitate interaction with and between your system and your IED compatible equipment, such as breakers, feeders, or protection devices. Ignition's power monitoring capabilities help you increase the efficiency of your power supply and distribution. Paired with the standard, this enables you to better manage and balance power supply and distribution, optimize performance, and prevent power failures. In simple terms, you maximize uptime and minimize downtime. One benefit of interoperability is that you can build a network of interoperable devices. Intelligent electronic devices should make your operation smarter, with employing the standard to ensure your devices talk the same language and share the same data standards. As a vendor-neutral solution, Ignition's IEC 61850 driver can help you unlock proprietary restrictions on devices and tame complicated integrations. It uses standards that are simple and flexible to communicate with all your substation SCADA systems and HMIs, allowing you to connect disparate devices from different manufacturers through a single vendor-neutral platform. Another benefit is monitoring power usage. Always be in the know about your operations energy flow, whether you're on the plant floor, on the road, or on the couch. Those interconnected devices created by using Ignition and IEC 61850 help you build custom dashboards with real-time data to see exactly what's happening anytime from a plant floor screen or anywhere from using your mobile device. Configure Ignition's alarm notification module to set up alerts to spot things like power fluctuations and stay in front of issues before they become costly downtime. Also, controlling power distribution. Don't just go with the flow, control it. Proactively manage power distribution and make the most of your energy resources with the boost in data integrity you gain from Ignition with IEC 61850. Using the driver's protocols and data collection to keep an eye on power distribution chains, Leverage Ignition's ability to turn screens into an HMI to direct your power where you want and need it, and minimize power interruptions and reduce energy waste with power management that brings balance and stability to your power load. Also expanding your data. Think of data in terms of a city's streets, like driving lanes and traffic lights create order and coordination on our roads. Data modeling creates standardizations that drives not only where the data needs to go, but what it needs to do when it gets there. IEC 61850 includes device specifications, so it expands the data set beyond the legacy practice of where to transfer data and incorporates what to do with it. It establishes a standardized naming convention for signals from multi-vendor devices and defines a data object structure to determine what to do with data beyond the protocol level. This is all useful in directing traffic for your power. Another major benefit of data modeling is project creation and management. Ignition's object-oriented design allows you to leverage user-defined data types for visualization projects with reusable parameterized templates. And leveraging the standard makes it really easy to build these UDTs. Cross-system sharing of these data types standardized equipment setup, data monitoring, and software updates. So it's really about increasing productivity and reducing costs. We all want to maximize our money and get the best bang for our bucks, right? With Ignition plus this driver, you'll not only monitor and control your power, but you'll see your production go up and your downtime go well down. Access to live and historical data helps you see things in real time and identify trends, make more proactive decisions that prevent breakdowns, accidents, injuries, and work stoppages. And maintaining power stability creates stable devices and protects them from potential damage, which extends their useful life and saves you money. IEC 61850 provides robust access to control and message integrity with authorization and encryption practices to protect the data.